Go ahead and take a seat, Frank. We're about to push. What kind of equipment you on? DC-8?
707.
You turning around on the red eye?
I'm jumping puddles for the next few months, trying to earn my keep running leapfrogs for the weak and weary.
No shame in that. We all did it.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Would you like a drink after takeoff?
Milk?
80 knots. Check. V1, rotate. V2, positive rate.
Gear up.
Where are you gonna go, Bernie? Where the fuck are you gonna go that's better than here? I got you covered in this town. People know you work for me. That's currency in your pocket. That's fucking respect when you walk the floor. Where are you gonna get that anyplace else?
7 days, Shelley. I'm out from under.
Excuse me, sweetheart. What's your name, darling? Never mind. This is who I am. Yeah, that's right. I like to know who's shopping it around in my neighborhood. So, darling, what you do is you be in my office first thing tomorrow morning if you want to continue to work here at the Shangri-La, and you and I'll go over the rules together. And I also want you to bring me a clean bill of health. All right, my dear? Okay. All right. Thank you.
모두가 거짓이야 모두가 윗선이야 우리는 우리의 말을 만들 거야 우리의 진실을 만들 거야 이제는 너의 말을 듣지 않아